Okay. Fish on in the boat. See if we can get a shot of him here.
Watch the tip of the wire in the water. I'll try and get him over the top.
Okay. There he is. There he is.
Okay, I'll hold it. You got it.
Nice big fish.
Get that on video right there.
Nice big fish right there. 17 pounds. Let him go. Let him go.
He's gone.
Okay. Big son of a bitch.
2 fish in 5 minutes? Get the fuck out of Dodge, man. This is fucking awesome.
Oh, there he is.
And now he's in the motherfucking boat. Nice Chinook.
Yeah. Nice Chinook right there. Well, he's gonna tear the shit out of shit.